नया तूफान उठाएंगे, तुम्हारे अज़्म की चिंगारियों।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिहिल करीम, अम्मा बअद, फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। Maliki yawmiddin. We are trying to get knowledge about the introduction of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I recite the third verse of the Surah Al-Fatiha. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the introduction of Allah, Allah is the master, real master of the day of the judgment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is master at here, controlling to everything at here. But for what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says about the day of the judgment? Because there are many people, they think that we are honored to this world and we are controlling to this system, and nothing, we are controlling to everything at here. But when the final day will come and the day of judgment will come, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will ask to every person. There are that who says in the world, who says at here, who says sometime, we are controlling to this system, we are honored to this world, everything, and there is nothing anything who can ask from us. There are that everybody will be silent, and one voice will echo, and that is Lillahil Wahidil Qahhar. First of all, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will have a question for all human beings. Limanil mulkul yawm? Who's honored to this? Who's master to this day? Who's honored at this day? Everybody will be silent, and one voice will echo, Lillahil Wahidil Qahhar. Today, not God but Allah, not controller but Allah, not honor but Allah.